Here we go, bit of clear road. Coming up to the right is a junction where if you turn right you go past Pampang Market and you get into Hensonville, which is another barangay near where I used to live. So Hensonville to the right, Angeles City straight on. Reminds me, I must do a vlog sometime in Pampang Market again. I haven't been there for over a year. I want to see how they've refurbished it since they had a fire there a few months ago. Right, this is where the traffic will build up again. This day couldn't be more different than the evening a few days ago. Well, the day before Valentine's Day, 13th, was just totally a wipeout in terms of rain and wind, and I got completely soaked. But just coming up for a McDonald's on the right hand side. Sometimes eat in this McDonald's if I'm shopping in Angeles City. Let's go around. Come on, that's it. And here's the McDonald's. Down to the left is a side street which takes you down to a cheap store called Jumbo Genera. Always worth a look inside Jumbo Genera if you're looking for discounts on anything you want to buy. It's a cheap shop basically, but it's a supermarket as well. Also, this one we're driving right past now, 268, is another good value cheap shop. Got my trash bins in that store on the right here. Right, we're coming up to a major intersection which will have traffic coming from about 5 different directions, so this is why it's getting a bit blocked up with traffic. It's a nice bike in front of me. I don't know what it is, but it looks nice. Come on guys, let's keep the traffic moving. The street off to the right, as well as being a shopping street, they have like tourist horses and trailers that almost like a taxi, but led by a horse. In fact, I can just see one over to the right. I don't know if you can see it on my camera there on the right. Horse and trap. Yeah. Let's go. Keep moving. Sneak down the side, maybe. Hopefully. Knock a few pedestrians over. 10 points for the one in the yellow t-shirt. Joke. Wow, it really is slow traffic today. I picked the wrong time of day. Total congestion. Right, quite often I would turn left here to go back through Angeles City and on the way home. So I'd bear left at this next turning, but I'm going to go straight on. Just want to show you another area down in Angeles City that has another shopping mall called Nepal Mall. I forgot about that one when I was talking about the malls earlier. So Nepal Mall is another big mall. So we'll just go and have a look around there. Some nice market stores here selling again fresh produce, clothes. It's also where the Angeles Electrical Corporation is. If you ever want to pay your bill direct to their sort of head office, it's up here at the end of this street and turn left. I'll be coming here sometime during this month because I'm awaiting my electricity bill at my new home. I already paid the water bill, so I had to find out where the water headquarters was, Ballybago Waterworks. But yeah, this is where Angeles Electrical Corporation is, on this street to the left here. Let's go. Nice slow taxi. Let's go around him. So the Angeles Electric is on the right now, the building on the right. I think I've only been there once because after that my landlord used to pay my electric bill for me, but now I'm in this new home I'm going to have to start paying my bill myself, so I will get used to coming here. Right, this is the home of Nepal Mall, which is like a big group of different buildings. Hey, forgot the speed bump there. Not concentrating. This is where Phil Health is on the right hand side, the medical insurance. I can feel the breeze building up now, so I don't know whether you're picking up any wind noise on my microphone, but it's definitely a lot more breezy in this area of Angeles. Right, straight in front is Nepal Mall. And on the right hand side now, as we're going past, is the bike park, and I absolutely dread using this bike park because you can almost guarantee that when you enter this bike park there's just never any spaces, and it's trying to fit your bike into like a jigsaw puzzle. The smallest gap available, you know, can you fit your bike in there? So it's not a pleasing experience, because my bike is bigger than most bikes with the side boxes. It makes it just that little bit more uncomfortable trying to squeeze it into tight places. So I've just basically done a circle here. We've come round the Nepal Mall, heading back out next to these street markets that I mentioned earlier, the street stalls. I'm going to come back out onto the main road back into Angeles City. Everything is travelling slowly today. Unbelievably slowly. Oh, I've got a clear path now for the turn right. Round we go. And then we're coming up to that left turn that I said I would normally take the left turn. So it's now a right turn for me because I'm coming from the other direction. There's Jumbo Genera Grand Mall straight ahead in front of us, the blue building. Can't recall if I've ever been in that Jumbo Genera. I've been in other Jumbo Generas, but not that one. Right, this left turn now takes us into what I would call the main sort of retail area